Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am your English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, so students, in this video we are going to explain exercises of chapter 2 and the name of chapter 2 is subject and predicate. Okay. So students, before starting these exercises, we are going to tell you what is subject and what is predicate. Okay, so students, can you tell me what is subject and what is predicate? In the previous video, I have explained what is subject and what is predicate. Once again, I am going to tell you what is subject and what is predicate. Okay, the subject is the person or the thing in a sentence that is being spoken about. Okay, in other words, we can say that subject is the naming part and a subject has a noun or a pronoun. Okay. For example, the driver stopped the car. Okay, so students, can you tell me which part of the sentence is subject? The driver is subject. Okay, and the remaining group of words are is predicate. Okay. Now students, tell me what is predicate? The predicate is the part that tells us what the subject does or is. In other words, we can say that predicate is the telling part and a predicate always has a verb. For example, Parth is going for a picnic. Okay, so students, can you tell me which part of the sentence is predicate? So students, here is going for a picnic is the predicate and Parth is a subject. Okay. So students, I hope you understand what is subject and what is predicate. Now come to the exercise of this chapter, that is subject and predicate. Okay, so students, here exercise learn. Encircle the subject and underline the predicate in these sentences. Okay, so students, means to say that in this exercise you have to circle the subject and underline the predicates in these sentences. Okay, so students, here is number 1 and number 1 is the lotus is a beautiful flower. Okay, so students, can you tell me which part of the sentence is subject and which part of the sentence is predicate? Okay, so here the lotus is a subject. Okay, the lotus is a subject and remaining group of words, that is a beautiful flower, is the predicate. So students, you have to circle the word the lotus and underline the group of words is a beautiful flower is the predicate. Okay. Now next, number 2. The fireflies looked beautiful. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject. Here the fireflies is the subject. So students, you have to circle the word the fireflies and underline the group of words that is looked beautiful, because this is a predicate. Okay, now next, number 3. Number 3 is I shot an arrow in the air. ठीक है? Okay, so students, tell me which word is subject here. Here I only subject, because I is a pronoun and pronoun also is a subject. So you have to circle the word I and underline the remaining group of words, that is shot an arrow in the air. Okay, so students, Now next number 4. Number 4 is hard work is the key to success. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject here. Here hard work is a subject. Okay, and is the key to success is the predicate. Okay, so students, you have to circle the word hard work and underline the group of words that is the key to success. Okay, because this is a predicate. Now next number 5. Number 5 is my friends understand my problems. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject here. Here my friends is a subject because this is the name of person. So this so this so this group of words is subject here, and remaining group of words is predicate, that is understand my problems. Now next number 6. Number 6 is the students boarded the school bus. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject here. The students is a subject. Okay, and boarded the school bus is a predicate. So students, you have to use the word the students because this is a subject, and you have to underline the group of words that is boarded the school bus because this is a predicate. Now next number 7. Number 7 is the boy visited his grandfather in Pune. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject. Here the boy is a subject, and remaining group of words that is visited his grandfather in Pune is predicate. So students, you have to circle the word the boy and underline the group of words that is visited his grandfather in Pune. Okay, because this is a predicate. Now next number 8. Number 8 is geography is an interesting subject. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject here and which part of the sentence is predicate here. So students, I am going to tell you here subject is only one word, that is geography. Okay, so geography is a subject, and remaining group of words that is an interesting subject is a predicate. Okay, so students, you have to circle the word geography and underline the group of words is an interesting subject because this is a predicate. Now next number 9. Now next number 9. Number 9 is Sunil likes to eat chocolates. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject here and which part of the sentence is predicate here. So students, here Sunil is a subject because Sunil is the name of a person. And next remaining part of the sentence that is likes to eat chocolates is predicate here. So students, you have to circle the word Sunil because this is a subject, and you have to underline the group of words that is likes to eat chocolates because this is a predicate. Now next number 10. Number 10 is Ravi has many toy cars. Okay, so students, tell me which part of the sentence is subject here. Here Ravi is a subject because Ravi is the name of a person. Okay, so students, you have to circle the words of Ravi. Okay, Ravi is the name of a person. So Ravi is a subject here, and has many toy cars is predicate here. Okay, so students, you have to circle the word Ravi and underline the has many toy cars because this is a predicate. Okay, so students, now come to the exercise A, that is practice. So exercise A is match the subject with the predicate. Rewrite the complete sentences in your notebook. Okay, so students, here means to say that you have to match the subject with the correct predicate to make complete sentences. Okay, after that you will write this exercise in your notebook, that is your HW copy. Okay, so students, here is column A and column B. Okay, so students, you have to match column A with the column B. Column A is a subject and column B is a predicate. Okay, so students, let's start exercise A. Number 1 is the doctor. The doctor is so students, tell me what is the doctor is. The doctor is a subject and you have to select correct predicate to match the doctor to make meaningful sentences. Okay, so students, can you tell me which predicate will match the doctor? So here is number 1 will match with option number D. And option number D is cured his patients. Okay, so students, the doctor cured his patients. Now next number 2. Number 2 is kangaroos. Okay, so students, kangaroo is a subject and tell me which predicate will match number 2. So students, here option number E will match with number 2, that is a kangaroo. So number 2 kangaroos will match with option number E, that is are found in Australia. Okay, so students, you have to match number 2 with option number E. Okay, now next number 3. Number 3 is the mountaineers. Number 3, the mountaineers will match with option number F. Okay, option number F is faced difficulties climbing the highest peak. Okay, so students, you have to match number 3. The mountaineers will match with faced difficulties climbing the highest peak. Okay, so students, now next number 4. Number 4 is Bhopal. Okay, so students, tell me which option will match with number 4. So students, here option number C will match with option number 4. Bhopal will match with option number C, is the city of lakes. Okay, so students, you have to match Bhopal is the city of lakes. Now number 5. Number 5 is squirrels. Okay, so students, tell me which option will match with number 5. So here option number A will match with number 5. Squirrels eat nuts. Okay, so number 5 squirrels will match with option number A, that is eat nuts. Now next number 6. Number 6 is the queen. Okay, so students, tell me which option will match with number 6. Tell me here option number B. Okay, option number B will match with number 6. The queen wore a beautiful crown. Okay, so number 6 will match with option number B. Now next number 7. Number 7 is the athlete. Okay, so students, tell me which option will match with number 7. So here option number I will match with number 7. The athlete will match with option number I, that is exercise regularly. Okay, Now next number 8. Number 8 is these grapes. Okay, so students, tell me which predicate will match with this subject, that is these grapes. Okay, so here option number J will match with number 8. Okay, these grapes are sour. Okay, now next number 9. Number 9 is the book. Okay, so students, tell me which predicate will match number 9, the book. Okay, so students, here option number G will match with number 9. The book has many interesting stories. Okay, so students, number 9 will match with option number G, that is has many interesting stories. Now next and last, that is number 10. Number 10 is my teacher. So students, tell me which predicate will match with number 10. So students, here option number H will match with number 10. My teacher will match with option number H, that is always encourage me to do better. Okay, so students, here is your answers. One will match with option number D, second will match with option number E, third will match with option number F, fourth will match with option number C, 5 will match with option number A, 6 will match with option number B, 7th will match with option number I, 8 will match with option number J, 9 will match with option number G, 10 will match with option number H. Okay, so students, I hope this is clear to you, and this is your homework assignment. You have to write exercise learn and exercise A in your HW copy. Okay, so students, so remaining exercise will continue in the next video. I hope this is clear to you, exercise learn and exercise A. Okay, so students, now thank you. Bye bye.